up in flame. Buttermilk, but life the same. No fancy plate, no silver spoon. Just laughter echo through the room. Mama say we good, don't fret. Even when the rain not met. Window breeze and radio play. Simple living, find our way. We never rich in money start, but we rich in heart, and that's a fact. Breadfruit and butter days, sweet in a different ways. Little food but plenty praise. In breadfruit and butter days, no big house, no diamond chain, but joy still run through every vein. We find peace in a humble way. Breadfruit and butter days. Whoa. School shoes worn but polished clean. Dreams big even when pockets lean. Corner shop, give liquor trust. Then next week, cause them know us. No AC breeze, just sink roof song. Rain tap rhythm all night long. Hard times visit but never stay. We turn struggle into play. From small yard we learn to stand. Strength don't come from wealthy land. Breadfruit and butter days, memories never fade. Tough outside but hearts don't break. In breadfruit and butter days, saltfish stretch to feed for more. Still we grateful to the core. Love overflow in simple ways. Breadfruit and butter days. Oh, oh, oh. Now me older things are bread, but me never shame the days when candlelight replaced the wire, and hope was our only fire. We build from scratch, no safety net. From every loss and every sweat, those humble roots still guide me ways. Breadfruit and butter days, breadfruit and butter days. Foundation strong always. From liquor start to better faith, me carry those old ways. Me never trade the lessons made in backyard shade.